What's the meaning of adduce? Adduce. 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 The word adduce means to provide evidence or arguments to support a claim or proposition. When someone adduces evidence, they are presenting facts, data or other information to prove their point. Adducing evidence in a legal context can be especially important because it can help persuade a judge or jury to adopt a certain point of view. In addition to legal settings, people may also adduce evidence in academic papers, scientific research articles, and other contexts where it is necessary to back up claims with verifiable data. Overall, the act of adducing evidence is essential for persuading others and making effective arguments.